make contact, then I'm going to slowly inch back. Step back, he comes in, I tip the thigh. Bladder, or sternum, my weight back on my rear leg, and push kick. Sawadee Ka, I'm Coach Sean Douglas here. I'm going to show you guys a few ways I like to use the tip kick. Okay, first guys, on the tip, I like to use it more of a collision technique. You can use this as an aggressive like technique, but I'm going to create what I call a vacuum by getting my opponent to start to move forward aggressively. So I'm just going to slowly make contact, then I'm going to slowly inch back. When I take these short steps back, it's going to cause my opponent to start to come forward so that the tip is much more effective. I'm going to use the ball of the foot, and I'm going to use the knee to control the technique. So when I shift my weight's predominantly on my rear foot, I'm going to use the ball and usually attack the thigh first, okay? So as I create this vacuum, I step back, he comes in, I tip the thigh, okay? Second way I like to use this technique is I'll just move the technique up the body and I'll go up to the top, okay? Bladder or sternum, okay? So I go thigh first, bladder or sternum. The third is a really close so that we're literally within clinch or knee range. This one you don't see much. I'm just going to shift my weight back on my rear leg and push kick up to the chin. Okay, so here. So I can go thigh, midsection, or chin. I step back, he steps in, tip the thigh, right? Disrupting his forward movement. Second, the body. Third, just touching, making contact, elbow and knee range to the chin with the ball of foot from here. And now, using the tip kick, I can set up my reverse elbow. So once I get him distracted with this, hitting the thigh, the body, now I'm going to lift the knee like I'm going to attack. I'm going to step outside his lead leg here and bring the elbow through. Okay, so again, I'm going to create this vacuum by stepping back a little bit. So I'm just inching back so that he's coming forward. I'm going to lift the knee and strike to the thigh with the ball of the foot with my tip, right? It's just stopping his forward movement. Then I can bring the knee up higher to the waist, bladder area or sternum. Third I like to do is within knee or elbow range where I just shift back and come straight up with the push kick here to the chin. All right, once I've got him worried about the lead leg, this is how I like to set up for a spinning elbow. So I'll hit the thigh a few times, maybe hit the body. Once he starts to try to brush that technique off, I'm going to lift my knee high, slide to the outside, and reverse elbow this way. And if you guys would like to get some training or you need some more information, check me out at fighthouse.com, fighthousethailand.com. My IG is fight_house_Thailand.